Welcome back to tradeprofx.co.ke and let's get to the direct bot. And first we get to the analysis tool, then you go to the digit frequency. Then from here, don't mind whatever is I'm watching something. So let me just go directly. So we are checking either digit 0 or 1 or 8 and 9 below 10%. So there is someone who had asked me, even if what about when we get a red bar when those digits, because you are saying below 10% and most of them usually have a red bar. And you see, let's check one which have such a kind of a design. So this one has 10.1. so this volatility 21. No, so let's get to 10. Okay, this one, can you see this one has a red bar on digit 8? So we are going to try this one, and then we are going to get into, so when you get such a market, your entry is the same digit on digit 8 when clicked. So let's first get to, very fast we get to the bot and then set, let me see, digit 8, then you wait for it to go sideways. So let's say it has clicked the the side you are trading. So like this one we can trade under 7, so digits, and then change the contract type, then you get to, let me just a minute. So this one we are going to be using under digit 7. So what we are going to change it there, under, not over. So let me see first, then there. So everything is set. Initial amount we can use 1.33. so okay, then this one also 1.33. then from there we do under 7. then this we can change the take profit to a bit higher, so no, to be a bit lower. So we use 2. Then this one we are going to use 2.86 as normal. So okay, then from here we get to go very directly. We change this to under, make sure it is under 7 for that. So we get to the analysis tool, digit frequency. So entry 8, you look for where the second list appear in digit 8. So if it is clicked, then bounces back to the digits below. Like now it bounces from the list appearing is 9, then it goes directly to the side on 1 to 0, 1 to 4, 0 to 4. So let's wait for the list. Second list appearing digit is the best, the entry point. So second list is the orange, so we are waiting for that side, then we run our bot. So we are waiting for one tick to click on the upper side, then it returns to the that way. Perfect, can you see? So you run your bot, very simple, and you expect your wins. So you run for 5 trades, as we said. You only run for 5 and then stop 5 and then stop 5 and then stop. So until maybe you have that encouragement to enter now full margin, you can decide to get in. So let's get in faster again. Okay, we just proceed. So you keep increasing. You right now we are going to target 4. Then we go back to analysis tool, digit frequency, look for the market that is suitable, like this one, wait for it, then it returns to the lower digits. Let's wait 8. Wow, that way you go for another 5 trades. Very simple. 1 2 3, so another 2. So okay, it has reached to 4, so you again increase. Now from 4 we go to 6, so that is the take profit. So you'll just now go back to the dashboard or the bot builder, you increase the take profit to 6 now. So you put 6 and then proceed. It's that simple. So from here you get back to the analysis, the digit frequency. We are on volatility 10, 1s, then wait. So we wait it to click the second most appearing, then back automatically that way, then you click the run button. So let's wait. So the white to click on either 9 to click on 8 and then return all. Okay, now it has shifted to 5, then back that way you click. I hope you have understood. So it clicks that digit, which is the second most appearing digit, then it returns immediately back to the where it came from, all the 0 to 3, at least 0 to 4, that is the margin. So okay, there is some slight losses, though that is normal. So we have recovered there. We have recovered there again. So that is 6, and then perfect. So that is a good. So the losses, we are going to check where they are coming from. I guess it's because of the digit 8. that is maybe why. So 8 now, we target 8, and then we get back to the analysis, digit frequency, volatility 10. We wait for the cursor to touch on the least appearing digit, second least appearing digit, and then back to 0 to 4. So 9, then we wait for it to go back to 0 to 4. So waiting for the cursor to touch that way, and then perfect like that. So let's wait. Not seen that way, okay, that one. So we keep going. Only how many runs? We have said 5. In case there is a loss and you recover, you can stop immediately. If you don't want to make the 5, you proceed. So let's just see where we are going to get. There is another streak there, profit, then we stop immediately. The boat has stopped, it has reached to 8. So we add, now we are from 8, we get to 10. So you go back to the boat builder, then you click additional 10. So you let me remove these, just push upwards, then we put 10. So it's very simple. Then from there we get to proceed as we wait. So it's very simple. Let's get back now to the analysis tool. We wait to digit frequency, volatility is 10 1s, then wait for the cursor to click on the orange, that is the second most appearing digit, and back to 0 to 4. So white on digit 3 7 0 9, back that way. We enter. Even if there is a loss, we still continue proceeding to aiming our 10 now. So can you see how fast we have hit a 10 USD like that? Laban Mike G, congratulations, 10.25. Okay, so we proceed. Okay, from here we again get back. So we are going to proceed that way. So we need to go to 12 now. So you set again to 12, then you can now proceed. So we get to 12. So let me try to remove that video from there. It's now confusing me when I'm trading. So we get to these 2 digits there, the 8 and 9. So only that, and then we observe that. So let's proceed. So this one is confusing me, and I'm using a speed 1.8. so let's just proceed. Already at 10, we can call it a day, but now if you want to proceed, you'll just proceed with the same strategy. So we are going to increase this to 2.5, again 2.5 there. Then from there, any other thing, yes, expected 12 to 12, 10 to 12, then nothing else, just that way, it's good. So we go back, observe now the markets well. So we are waiting again, you remember the concept that way? Oh wow, so I've made a mistake. I thought it would have gone, so I'll stop, then look at it that way, then we proceed. So you have seen it has moved from 9 to 3. Then make your trades as fast as possible. So we have surpassed 12 because I've done the first trade and then lost and then stopped. So it will start now again calculating. So you can see it has reached to 12 according to it, but already we are at 16. So again we proceed. So you can see how simple it is. So we are going to get again to scoop some trades. We must remember change these to bot builder. We increase these now to 18. To 18, not 14, because let me check here, we have 16.03, so it should be 18, not 14. So confirmed that. So we proceed. We get to proceed and click on the analysis tool, digit frequency, then proceed. So analysis volatility 10 1s, then we proceed. So we wait for it to click on 4, then back, 4, then back. So that is the goal. So 4, then not available. So here we are going to wait for, okay, that way, very fast. So you can see I'm waiting for the second least appearing digit to be touched, and then I enter immediately. Look at the wins, properly, $20 printed. So here, what do you think? Should we proceed, or what do you think? Or we enter full margin? I'm thinking of entering a full margin with a 20 USD is not bad. So we have already reached at 60. Very simple printing. So we wait for 9 and then it returns to the front side. So let me put this video aside. We get into trading, because I want us to get some entries here. We are going to enter full margin 60.92. so we do that way. Then this one, let it remain that way. Then first trade 10-1s, we are waiting for digit 9, then clicked on the upper side, not that way, 9, then perfect 20 USD. Stop the button. Though again, I think we can proceed to 81.55. so for us making it to 5 to also 200, I mean to 100 USD is very nice. So let's try reach this account to 100. 10-1s, then we went wait for 9, then back, not that way. So let's add this 81.55 so that we can make one clean shot as we have done there. So only waiting. So this one is for only risking. I'm sure by the time you are at 20 you will have gotten out. So 9 that way, no, 2, we are waiting for 2, then a lower digit. So it is the second list appearing digit, it be clicked by the white bar that way, then it returns to the downside. So that is why you are seeing me, I'm not taking any trade. So I'll wait until 2 or it clicks on 0-1, then I make one clean shot on under. Are we together? So I just run my bot. So remember, execution I've already set to fast, so you can see. Let's just do some timing. So I'm seeing it click on 2, then returns up 2, 4, no. So that is how you should be checking. So let's wait. Let's wait 0 6 0 4 2 3, no. So can you see, even if it has touched 2 3, we avoid 2 8, no. So we wait. Let's proceed. Waiting for 2, then a lower digit, do or a lower digit. Until that I won't click buy 2, not 2, not. So this is the patience I would like you to be having as always, every day. So we are waiting for digit 2, then a lower digit, we enter a trade on under full margin. So this is only for the risk takers, but if you reach at 20 and you have scoped your 10 or 5 USD, just get out with the strategy that I'm using. 2, okay, I was very eager to click the run button, but not there. So 2, perfect, and then you are at 109.17. so we have made it to 68.37. this one can reach 100, the total profit. Yes, the real count we have reached it to 100, but the total profit can also reach something good. So we get again to risk this, or what do you think? I think we should proceed, because the market is still giving us an edge to execute. So 109.17, okay, then we get into very fast on the analysis tool. Digit frequency, volatility 10 is the market today. So 3, then return down. Perfect. Go on. Wow. So at 100 total profit. So 146.14. Let's reach this to 150. Let's reach the real account to 150. It is only one last trade, so we get back, and it's amazing. We are still pushing 146.14, and then we get to check on the analysis tool again, and we check and see volatility 10 index. We have 10. Oh, it has reached 9 on digit 10.1. then we need to change the market immediately. Let's check for any that has this one also. No, we quit that. We can see this one is for over 1. Let's do this is for over 1. Let's see volatility 75. This one has what? Also over 1. Have over 1. This is volatility 75 over 1. So let's trade over 1. Though I'll just trade only one tick, only one trade, because remember, when you start now making changes, it is a brander. So it is the opposite now. We are going to look on the cursor to touch 5, then up that way. Perfect. At 197. Wow. We have reached 150 total profit, and we can call it a day. Let's meet in the next video. This is Trade Pro FX. Bye.